Josh Duggar's younger brother Justin and his wife Claire sat with and showed their support for his wife Anna as they attended his child pornography trial. The Sun exclusively reports Justin Duggar, 18, Claire Spivey, 19, and her mother Hillary were at the courthouse in the front sitting next to Anna. The mother-in-law Hillary, Claire, and Justin were spotted sitting in the front with Anna. The trio appeared to be in high spirits while speaking to Josh, 33, who had returned for his second day of trial. Justin, Claire, and her mother Hillary were seen being supportive of Josh's wife. Joy Anna Duggar's husband, Austin Forsyth, 27, was the only one sitting in the back. Austin had not been speaking to anyone, but he did interact with Jill Duggar's husband, Derrick Dillard, 32, and Justin after the hearing had ended. Josh, who has pleaded not guilty, has been accused of possessing sick images of child pornography, which have been described as the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. If the TLC star is found guilty, he could be facing up to about 20 years in prison. However, it is not clear at the moment if whether their testimony will be for the prosecution or the defense. Josh's smile. Previously, Josh was seen showing off a smile into the camera during his temperature check when he entered the courtroom, according to an on-site reporter for The Sun. The reality star held his tie down as he smirked into the frame. He appeared to be cheerful despite the horrific claims made against him. During the opening arguments for the trial regarding his April 2021 arrest, the prosecuting attorney alleged that Josh had downloaded a file of 65 images and 2 videos of females 7 to 9 years old onto his work computer. Prosecution lawyers then detailed how Detective Amber Calmer had reached out to a Homeland Security agent about the materials had Josh allegedly downloaded. The shocking materials included a movie file of 7 to 9-year-old females and 65 still images of a 7 to 8-year-old girl that end with her being put in a cage. According to the Sun reporter, the opening statement declared, "You're going to see images of children, some as young as 7. These children are being sexually assaulted, violated, and exploited." The prosecution continued on to claim that Josh had been downloading child sexual assault materials, while both receiving and possessing the material. The prosecution requested from the jury, "We ask you to hold him accountable.